Hi everyone, today I am going to do an experiment of blood grouping by tube method. The requirements are test tubes, patcher pipettes, test tube rack, anti-seras, anti-A anti-sera, anti-B anti-sera, anti-AB anti-sera and anti-D anti-sera. These are monoclonal anti-seras, anti-A1 and anti-H. These are lectins for subgroups, and pool cells, A pool cells, B pool cells and O pool cells for reverse grouping. This is test serum and 2 to 5% test cells. This coming to the procedure. This method is based on the Karl-Landsteiner law. In this tube technique, we'll do forward grouping as well as reverse grouping with auto control. The principle is to detect unknown antigen on the RBCs by known anti-seras and to detect unknown antibodies in serum by known red cells. Next, coming to the method, set up a row of clean test tubes in a test tube rack and mark them as A, B, AB, D, A1 or H, auto for auto control, AC, that is A cells, BC, B cells, OC, O cells for reverse typing, and add 2 drops of anti-A anti-sera in marked A tube and add 2 drops of anti-B anti-sera in B marked tube and add 2 drops of anti-AB anti-sera in AB marked tube and add 2 drops of anti-D anti-sera in D marked tube. We don't add any reagent in A1 or H now because it is for subgroup. Let it be stand. In auto, AC, BC, OC tubes, add 2 drops of test serum of test serum in all tubes. Then add 1 drop of test cells in A, B, AB, D and auto. Then add 1 drop of A pool cells. This is 2 to 5% pool cells in AC tube and B pool cells in BC tube and O pool cells in OC tube. This is for reverse typing. Always add serum before adding cells in tube technique. Mix it and look for agglutination. Usually the AVDT is 4 to 5 seconds to take up reaction and see for agglutination. In AB tube, there is no agglutination seen. In D tube, there is clumping seen. This is called agglutination. So, we'll do for subgroup. We add 2 drops of anti-H anti-sera in A1 or H tube and add test cells 1 drop. These all tubes centrifuge at 1000 rpm for 15 to 20 seconds. Centrifugation is to enhance antigen antibody reaction and also detection of weaker antigen antibody reaction. Agglutination against well lighted background. Interpretation of results are given by grading. This grading is usually done by giving score to the strength of the reaction, given by negative to 4 plus. This is the format to take the results. Look here. In A tube, B tube, AB tube, there is no agglutination seen. So this you write here negative reaction. In D tube, there is the agglutination seen. This is a single clump taken as 4 plus. This is the H for subgrouping. It is also showing reaction, agglutination 4 plus. This is the auto controls. Auto controls shows negative reaction, negative, no agglutination seen. In A cell, agglutination seen. B cell, agglutination seen. 4 plus. So O cell, no agglutination seen. It is negative. So final blood group is O positive. This grading is important while doing any test procedure to show the difference in the strength of the reaction. In some conditions, ABO blood group discrepancies are seen due to extra antigen or weak antigen or extra antibodies or irregular antibodies or abnormal plasma proteins. Hence, complete blood grouping, that is forward grouping and reverse grouping with auto control using supplementary reagents is mandatory to rule out pathological aspects of such discrepancies.